Did you know that your face shape significantly impacts your makeup application? Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of makeup and face shapes, uncovering the secrets to enhancing your unique beauty. Firstly, consider the round face, characterized by soft, rounded edges and almost equal width and length. Contouring is your friend here. Use a matte bronzer or contour powder to add definition along the sides of your face, under the cheekbones, and along the jawline. Apply blush slightly higher on the cheeks to create the illusion of higher cheekbones. For your eyes, try winged eyeliner and elongated eyeshadow to elongate the appearance of your eyes. Next up is the oval face. Notably longer than it is wide, the oval face is balanced and versatile. Minimal contouring may be needed, giving you the freedom to experiment with various styles and techniques. Try different eyeshadow shapes and eyeliner styles to accentuate your eyes. For those with a heart-shaped face, your wider forehead tapers down to a narrower chin. Soften the appearance of the forehead with contour and add some to the jawline to achieve balance. Accentuate your eyes with bold eyeshadow and mascara to draw attention upwards. Don't forget to highlight your lips with bold colors to balance the top of your face. Square faces, with their strong angular jawlines and foreheads, can benefit greatly from contouring to soften angles, creating a more rounded appearance. Apply blush diagonally along your cheekbones to add softness. And for your lips, experiment with rounded or curved lip shapes to contrast the angular features. If you have a diamond face, your high cheekbones and a narrow forehead and jawline set you apart. Contouring can soften the angles of the jaw and forehead. Emphasize your eyes with eyeshadow shades that complement your natural eye color. Don't shy away from experimenting with various lip colors and shapes to enhance your lips. Lastly, if your face is long or rectangular, where the length is longer than the width, contouring can be applied to the sides of your face to add width and balance. Use eyeshadow to create depth on the eyelids, opting for horizontal eyeshadow application. Choose lip colors that add fullness to your lips, avoiding very dark shades. In conclusion, your face shape plays a crucial role in your makeup application. From round to oval, heart-shaped to square, diamond to long or rectangular, each shape has unique characteristics that can be enhanced with the right makeup techniques. Remember, these tips are guidelines to help you enhance your natural beauty. So feel free to experiment and adapt these techniques to suit your unique style and face shape. After all, makeup is a form of self-expression, and there's no better canvas than your own face.